faithfully.
Yo, magnificent. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo, what's up, my people? It's a Jamaican friend here again with another epic reaction. So, in this reaction, I'm going to react to a person called Janitor Richard Goodall. This is my second time reacting to this man, right? And I engulf in tears, bro. This man's voice is phenomenal. So, I'll be reacting to a song that he have done. It is called Faithfully by Journey, right? And it's an unforgettable cover. I think this is the finals of AGT, and this final was done like 8 days ago. So I want to know why he has won this AGT finals, because this man can sing really good. So one question: do anyone who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? So please let me know down in the comments, and let's have a wonderful time with Mr. Goodall here.
I'll run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round. You're on my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight. Sending all my love along the wire.
Wow. Oh. Look, I never doubted this man one bit. Because the first time I've heard him, I was delightful. I was feeling his voice. I was feeling his performance. It was authentic. It was real. It's not any form of being a pretender. Right, bro? This is bars I'm listening to right now.
Say that the road is no place to start a fire.
Wow. Wow.
Right down the line, it's been ready. Love in a music man ain't always what it's supposed to be. Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully.
Yo, magnificent. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is what I call a magnificence. This is wonderful. Very much wonderful. And I see the reason why he won. Because of his authenticism. Damn, bro. Yo. There's so much talented people out there in the world. I'm happy to hear more of this man's voice. Trust me. Yo, yo, it's making me smile, bro.
Being apart ain't easy on this love affair. Two strangers learn to fall in love again. I get the joy of rediscovering you. Oh, girl, you stand by me.
Yo, this man should pursue his career, right? He should keep up the music because people want to hear him. Just like myself here, I want to hear him sing. So just imagine how much people out there in the world like me who want to hear this man sing. Because just his voice alone pulls you in to hear more of his voice, bro. This is unique. Very much unique. Wonderful, man. Wonderful.
I'm forever yours. Faithfully. Oh, 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 faithfully. I'm still yours. I'm
Hey, no offense, but for a guy in this farm, in this age group, can carry a note in such a long period of time. Now, you tell me, right? Isn't this man a professional in singing? There's not one person can make any form of comments saying this man can't sing. You would be capping. You'll be lying, bro. You'll be hating. Because for starters, right? If this man was a newbie, first of all, he wouldn't make it thus far, bro. He wouldn't, right? And to see this man made it to the finals with so much people there cheering him on just to hear more of him, right? That's Mars. That's absolutely Mars. Ooh, ooh.
faithfully. Richard Goodall! How do you
He done great, bro. He
you
done
are
great.
nervous? How do you feel now?
Richard, I have been faithfully your biggest fan since the very, very first day we met,
Yes, ma'am.
all the way through this competition. You are such an amazing man. You're so humble. You're so kind. You're also a little bit quiet, but not when you are behind that microphone. Then you are a big rock star. I am so happy that we met because it really touched my heart. And I hope that everyone at home felt the same way. And I hope that everyone is going to vote for you. I want you to win this so bad, Richard.
Simon, this place is rocking.
Trust me, I agree with her. I agree with her, bro. I mean, like I'm here listening this man, right? I'm not watching, but I'm listening, and the way how he put forth his words, right? It's properly formulated. It's like every note he pulls, it's in the right order. It's not all over the place, right? The mastermind of this track, it's phenomenal. Yo, this female, this judge female, she stands correctly because his music moves my heart, bro. It melts my heart. Trust me, it's so much to wonder right now.
Richard, I could feel the energy
Truly,
behind me.
truly.
Honestly, from the minute you came on the show, you've never crumbled. You haven't. You've risen. And you know what? We all need a hero, right?
Trust me, Simon. Trust me. Trust me. This man is a musical hero. He has came to save many people's lives who can't sing. He has came to pave the way for people who are literally downhearted, who are in this farm now, who's afraid to bring forth their talents to show other people of how their greatness works. This man is an inspiration to a lot of people out there and watch it. You guys are going to see a lot more older folks coming in, displaying their talents so other people could recognize what they're capable of, right? And the literal growth will be engulfing. Damn, Richard. Damn.
Now, and you are our hero.
Howie, not only only is a hero, not only is it great, I will make a prediction right now. I think you just sang yourself $1 million.
Wow, congrats, bro. Congrats. Congrats, bro.
Richard, America has watched you evolve from a janitor into a rock star. How has this AGT journey changed your life?
In so many ways. I don't have the words anymore.
Bro, I'm
Thank
happy.
you, America.
I'm happy.
Thank you, Terre Haute, Indiana, Midwest, America. Thank you all. I love you.
Yo, I'm happy for the guy. I'm happy for the guy. He made it far from a janitor into a rock star. He has made it far, and we have to give thanks for him because he have done a very phenomenal job. If you guys enjoy this reaction, thank you so much for your suggestions. I'll see you guys in the next video from Mr. Goodall here. Richard, take care, bro. And one encouragement from a little Jamaican guy: keep up the good work. Never stop singing. There are a lot of people out there who needs to hear you, so you should put out your music consistently. Now you have the way paved. Keep on treading, bro, and you will reach far in higher heights. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.